Wahala for people wey turn child labour to normal thing. My people,
Pure water, buy your
small
pure
pikin
water.
suppose
One
dey
sachet,
school,
please.
dey
There you
learn,
go.
dey
Thank you.
Buy
play.
your pure
No
water.
be for road to dey sell pure water inside sun and traffic. You go hear na hustle, at least e no dey steal. But hustle no be for small children. Dat pikin no strong, hardship strong pass am. Before pikin sabi ABCD, life don already put load for im head. Some go miss school, some go see things wey spoil their mind early. Why we dey normalize suffering? The true talk be say, when childhood die early, the future pay the price. My brother man and sister woman, follow me for more true talk. I salute una. Ado.